The most important part, the portrait shading. To achieve a realistic portrait, I recommend using a 9 soft edge Magnum needle, especially for portrait areas measuring around 4 to 5 inches. This needle allows soft ink transitions and smooth blending, making the skin texture and facial features look more natural. For shading, I use the pendulum shading technique. This technique involves a smooth swinging hand motion that gradually fades the black into lighter tones. It helps avoid harsh patches and creates soft gradients, which are essential for realistic portrait tattoos. Hello art lovers! Welcome back to Tattoo 18. In today's video, I am creating a beautiful Hindi script with a Lord Shiva portrait tattoo on my client's biceps. The overall size of this tattoo is approximately 7 inches, making it a perfect size for detailed portrait work while keeping the script bold and readable. If you're a beginner or an experienced tattoo artist looking to improve your portrait tattoos, make sure you watch this video till the end because I'm sharing the exact machine settings and shading techniques that help achieve a realistic result. For this tattoo, I used dynamic black ink for the entire design. To make the red elements stand out, I used Ozone Red ink. The tattoo was completed using my Falcon 2 wireless tattoo machine, which provides smooth and consistent performance throughout the session. Let's first talk about the outline. A clean outline is the foundation of every great tattoo. For lining, I set my machine speed to 8 volts and kept the needle stroke between 3.5 millimeters and 4 millimeters. These settings help create crisp, bold, and stable lines without damaging the skin when used with proper hand control. While doing portrait shading, I reduced my machine speed to 6 volts. Running the machine at a lower voltage gives better ink control and allows the needle to work gently on the skin. I also kept the needle stroke between 2 millimeters and 3 millimeters, which is ideal for soft black and gray shading. These settings help minimize skin trauma while producing smooth, realistic depth. Always remember that portrait tattoos are not about filling the skin with black ink. The secret lies in preserving highlights, building contrast slowly, and maintaining patience throughout the process. Every pass should be controlled and intentional. For beginners, my advice is to practice pendulum shading on fake skin before attempting portrait tattoos on real clients. Focus on maintaining a consistent hand speed, proper needle angle, and even pressure. These small details make a huge difference in the final outcome. If you're passionate about learning tattoo art professionally, I also provide online and offline tattoo training. If you're interested, you can DM me on the contact number given in the description box for more details about the training program. I hope this video helps you understand the importance of proper machine settings, the right needle selection, and the pendulum shading technique for realistic portrait tattoos. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tattoo 18. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss our daily tattoo videos, professional tattoo tips, and unique tattoo ideas. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next tattoo session. Keep creating, keep practicing, and keep your art alive.